ये जो सेल्फ डाउट आता है, was it because of the price tag, the franchise has retained you?
I was desperate to have a good season again. I didn't know my batting that much, but this year, and obviously knowing Lara sir, after the SRS season when I was dropped, it's important to make sure that you're consistent with your seasons. I was doubting myself, to be very honest, initially in the season, but they gave me the confidence again. The major credit goes to Ricky and Shreyas. I mean, the way they have handled me.
Hello everyone, this is Pratyush Raj. You are watching TimesOfIndia.com. Today we have a very special guest. He finishes game for Punjab Kings, but is also an astrologer now. He can tell you about your future. Please welcome Baba Shashank Singh. Shashank, welcome to our channel. Thank you for giving your time. First question first, हमारा भविष्य बता दीजिए.
Thank you for the factful क्या बोलूँ उसको मैं मेरे बारे में बताने के लिए about my what predictions and about my this skills. But नहीं यार, obviously feels good that we are in the top two, and obviously we have manifested as a team back after the auctions. I mean coming through. I mean कितना अच्छा लगता है कि आपने कुछ मैनिफेस्ट किया और वो आप सही में हो रहा है चीज़ें. Obviously हमने मैनिफेस्ट काफ़ी कुछ ज़्यादा किया है इससे. Maybe 3rd of the June will be the right time to say that. But I mean एक हर्डल पार हुआ है तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. और आपका फ्यूचर समझता हूँ कि आप जिस फ्यूचर में हो आप बहुत आगे जाने वाले हो. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया बहुत आगे जाने वाला है, मैं बोल सकता हूँ आपको.
Superb. Thank you, Shashank. Shashank, last season was kind of you took that gamble. It was kind of make or break for you. There was a different Shashank. You played few knocks. This season there is a consistency, and you're batting at a very tricky position. But this season, there's one thing from outside that I have witnessed. There's a bit of, there's swag, there's more swag in Shashank. This confidence is more there. The walk, the way you walk to the crease, the way you kind of, even you have that confidence, it has gone like a notch above than last season. If you could talk about that, please.
No, obviously when the last season went, I mean it went well for me. But again, I've always felt that it's important to make sure that you're consistent with your seasons. Because in IPL, I have seen players, like extremely talented players, good players, who have one good season, then they have a break, then again after a year or two they have a good season again. So for me it was very important. I took some pressure as well because for me I was desperate to have a good season again. Because obviously I don't want to be a person जो बोले कि यार एक सीजन वन वंडर सीजन वाला प्लेयर था या एक साल अच्छा गया उसके बाद नहीं किया वो. So I never wanted to be that player. So obviously that pressure was there on me. And to be honest, when the season started, I wasn't batting at the best of my abilities because in the practice games I didn't score much runs. In the nets also I couldn't bat well. So obviously the major credit goes to Ricky and Shreyas. I mean the way they have handled me, the way they have given me the freedom to express myself, the way they have helped me out to on few technical parts as well. So all those things, the credit needs to go to the coaching staff. And when I say about the coaching staff, it comes to everyone. Ricky sir, Brad Haddon, James Hopes, our two domestic coaches, and obviously Shreyas. So obviously they have given me the confidence to express myself. And obviously when I was doubting myself, they made sure that I again get that self-belief, because I'm a player who feels that I'm mentally strong and I can play at the crunch situation. But sometimes as a human you doubt yourself, right? So I was doubting myself, to be very honest, initially in the season, but they gave me the confidence again, and I mean credit to them for the way they have handled me.
ये जो self doubt आता है, was it because of the price tag? The franchise has retained you. एक expectation है now that to win matches. Is it something that trouble a cricketer?
For me, the self-doubt came because I was desperate to have a good season again. I wasn't following the process. I was desperate to have a good season. कि जैसे मैंने बोला ना, I don't want to be a one-season wonder वाला बंदा नहीं बनना था मुझे. तो वो एक desperatness.
Right.
I wasn't thinking about the process. I was thinking about the outcome. कि भाई मैं कैसा अच्छा करूँ. अच्छा होगा, but you have to follow the process. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा हो जाएगा. So for me, it was never the price tag. It was never the retention thing. Maybe retention thing थोड़ा सा था, because obviously when you are a retained player, you want to do well, right? Obviously because the franchisee has shown trust in you. But more than that, for me it was कि वापस अच्छा season करना है. So मैं process नहीं follow कर रहा था. But obviously when again I went back and turned the books कि बाबा मैंने क्या अच्छा किया था, मैंने क्या process follow करता था, मेरा routines क्या था मेरा. And obviously with the help of everyone, I say पूरे teammates से मैं बात करता हूँ, like निहाल वडेरा or maybe a Prab Simran Singh who knows me since last year. उन लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि आपका ये प्रोसेस था, आप ऐसा करते थे और आप अच्छा करोगे ही करोगे, because आप सही जगह फॉलो कर रहे हो, सही चीज़ें फॉलो कर रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली दैट गेव मी कॉन्फिडेंस. बट वो प्राइस टैग वाला प्रेशर मुझे कभी भी नहीं था. आई मीन मुझे वो क्वेश्चन आता है कि भाई आप 20 लाख के थे, अभी आप सर्टन अमाउंट के हो गए, तो आपको लगता है क्या? तो मुझे वो नहीं लगा था, बट डेस्परेटनेस बहुत था कि यार मुझे करना है, मुझे अच्छा सीजन करना है. बट अगेन देयर इज अ प्रोसेस वो अच्छा सीजन करने के लिए, एंड आई थिंक आई फॉरगॉट कि कैसे अच्छा करना है. बट अगेन people reminded me, the management reminded me कि ये process है, and again I think I'm doing well, but again the best is yet to come, I feel.
Shashank, you have this gift to pick the length very early, right? आप जो भी, I mean, the way you pick length and then the way you smash those sixes, ऐसा लगता है. I mean, obviously there's one thing that you are blessed with the long levers, the limbs are there, but this ability of picking lengths early, is it something that helps in the power hitting? How do you practice power hitting, and is it how technical it is behind the scene? अगर आप थोड़ा समझा पाएं.
Obviously I've practiced a lot. I mean, my father, he made sure that I practiced a lot. My coach, I mean, late Vidya Paradkar, he made sure that obviously if I'm batting in the middle overs or if I'm batting that finisher where I roll, so obviously what balls will come, what areas are mine. I have a certain grip of holding the bat, so what shots are easily accessible to me. So वो सब बात हम लोग करते हैं. Like now also when I speak to Ricky sir, or maybe when I was with SRS, so I spoke to Lara sir. So all those small inputs that they have given me about my batting, so it helped me to know my batting better. Because when I was playing for SRH, I know that I'm doing well, but I didn't know my batting that much. But this year, and obviously knowing Lara sir, after the SRH season when I was dropped, I used to have conversation about my batting. He said, how can I improve myself even better? What all shots I can play at what juncture of time? What all shots I cannot play, I shouldn't play, or what all shot I should practice more. So all those things I have conversations with Lara sir, Abhi Kurvela, I always told that he's my mentor. Now Ricky sir, at times with Shreyas as well. So all those things really help me out. My state coach Hitesh Goswami. So there are few people in my life who I really trust. Like I'm someone who overthinks as well at times. So I don't want to bat in the nets for hours and hours and then एक बार आउट हो गए ऐसे तो सोचो कि यार आउट कैसे हो गए, इशू क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. आई एम समवन हु जस्ट वांट्स टू टेक अ गुड नॉक, good feel, yeah, I'm reading the ball well, good head position, I'm reading the ball well, I'm reading the lengths well, the lines well, I'm not going too much across, so there are good short pointers. And that also I'll tell you, Ricky sir only told me this year that make a to-do list when you go to the, make sure that all those points are being ticked. So all these things really help. Obviously, I mean these minute points. I mean there's not a big technical difference.
Small point.
But all minute points. Yeah, it really helps.
अच्छा, Shashank, tell me. I mean, ठीक है. You have played with Shreyas in the Maidans of Bombay when all these guys, Shreyas Surya, they were coming up. Sudesh Lad, you were there. Shivam Dubey was there. Abhishek Nair was still playing back then. And after all these years, again, like now you're a teammate. You're deputy, literally, right? You also.
I have to tell all good things about him right now.
So yeah. Okay, I mean it's captaincy. People are talking about his captaincy, the calmness, the everything. But you've known Shreyas as a friend before also. There's so much talk about he doesn't get enough credit. For like he has taken 3 franchises to the playoff. That's a very unique. I mean that's tells something about his leadership, right? I mean थोड़ा सा मुझे Shreyas the person जानना है, like what kind of guy he is.
No, he's a captain who always gives freedom to his players. He never says कि ऐसा नहीं कर सकते या नहीं. He is very positive. He'll always back you. If you will tell him कि मुझे पहला बॉल जाके छक्का मारना है, से जाके मार, and next match में भी मारना, उसके बाद भी मारना. He's someone who will give you that extra freedom as well. As a captain, he's someone who backs his instinct. That is his best thing. He backs his instinct. He'll listen to everyone because I've seen few captains who will just say कि अरे नहीं मुझे मैच में आके मत बोलना because मेरे काम में कुछ चलता है. He's someone who will tell you that मुझे अपने आइडियाज देना and I'll surely listen to it. Obviously अच्छा लगा तो मैं करूँगा. And when the captain says this to you, then obviously you get the freedom to express yourself as well. कि बाबा मुझे ये point लग रहा है कि मार्क को डालना चाहिए या मार्क को डालना चाहिए. I mean you can give your inputs and then he listens to that very calmly. Last question. There is a term coined by media people, us like people like me and others also. Late bloomer कहते हैं लोग. ठीक है, there's a late bloomer. There's a tag, white ball tag है, red ball tag है, specialist वाला tag है, finishers का एक tag है, एक नया आया, impact player है. So
your career has been fascinating. And do you consider yourself a late bloomer, or do you just think यार ये destiny था, ये होना था, ऐसा ही अभी ही होना था, at the age of 32 ऐसा ही होना था?
I'm a firm believer of destiny. I always feel that if I'm working hard, if I'm following my process, good things will happen. I'm 32, maybe at 35, I'll be 40 at time. When I see Praveen Tambe, because I play for D.Y. Patil, I take him as an example because the way he has worked hard. At 43, he got his first Ranji cap, first class cap. At 44, his first IPL cap. So I mean, all those things I take into consideration, and I'm a firm believer of destiny. If things are meant to happen, that will happen. It's just that you need to follow a good process. You have to be honest to yourself, and in a team sport, you make sure that what culture they are developing, like it should always be there, like being happy for others, respecting others, caring for others, because we are not playing a lawn tennis or a badminton, it's a team sport. So once the team is doing well, then only you can go from one level to another level. So I think all those things matter a lot, and regardless of age. I mean, if you're meant to play for the country, you will, and I am a firm believer that yes, I have everything in me to play for the country and perform for the country, and yes, hopefully I will.
Thank you so much, Shashank, for your time. Hopefully see you in the Mullapur, where I'll be covering the matches. So I'll hopefully see you guys.
Nice talking to you.
Hopefully you guys went on to win the title. Thank you so much.